Hi, this is Mahesh from MyStampGarden. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we are going to make 3 cards out of one stamp set. The first card is from Peekaboo, Tip Top Taupe and Whisper White cardstock. The cardstock measures 10.5 by 29.6 centimeter, which is scored as 14.8. All the measurements of the cards are below in the YouTube description. This is the stamp set Swirly Bird. We are going to use the small stamp set. Okay, let's get started now. I'm just using my 1/4 inch punch to punch some of white cardstock. Just use some scrap piece, and I'm just sticking to the middle of my flower. For sentiment, I'm just using I Simply Adore You from Mixed Borders. The second card is very simple, single layer card. I'm just using 2 ink, Sweet Sugar Plum and Peekaboo Peach. Using 2 of these ones. I'm just randomly stamping. It's very simple and quick card. Great for make and take. Using the small one in the center, which I used for the flower. For the sentiment, I am just using birthday blooms. Happiest of birthday to you. Beautiful sentiment. Just getting my wing of Stella. Just applying on my sentiment as well. And I just used my candy, which I already retired one. I just used the color Melon Mambo and Pumpkin Pie. That looks beautiful. It's very simple and quick card. For the card number 3, we need a base Whisper White, which measure 10.5 by 14.8. All the measurements will be in the description below. And the next piece of Whisper White, which measure 9 cm by 14.8. And small piece of basic black cardstock, which measure 1 cm by 14.8. And a small thin strip of silver glitter paper. We are going to use the ink Tinting Turquoise and Dabber Denim, the new ink in color. I'm just stamping my image using my Memento Tuxedo black ink. It's not perfect, and so I'm just doing on the back side. 3 of them. And then for the bigger leaf, I'm just using my Tinting Turquoise ink. I'm just doing fast forwarding. And the next one. And for the next layer, I'm just using the small leaf, using my Dabber Denim new ink. It looks beautiful when they both together. It's almost done. For the center, I used the small one, which I used for my card one. This is the one more card which I made using crushed curry and so saffron ink. Just trim the excess. Now I'm just using my Stampin Dimensional on the back side. Before that, I'm just applying my wing of Stella only to the dark shade of the flower petals. Sorry. I'm just using my foam tape on the back side to give 3D effect. Stick to the base card. For sentiment, for save time, I already made a happy birthday using Crazy About You stamp set on black cardstock using silver embossing powder, and stick to the bottom using my Stampin Dimensional. And for the final touch, I'm using my black enamel dots, the Ranger one, in the middle to give some dimensional to my flower. Just doing same with all the 3 of them. Now my card is finished. If you want, you can apply some glitter in the middle. I think it looks beautiful, but I don't want to do that. This is my first card. The middle one, I just used my glossy accents. Love the beautiful crystal effect in the middle. Hope you enjoyed today's 3 cards using this same stamp set. A beautiful set, a must-have one. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button below. See you soon. Until then, bye from Mahesh. See you, bye.